In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open serial plotter on Arduino application. So first of all, of course, if you don't have Arduino, of course, application on your PC, you would like to go and download it through any browser you could be possibly using. Of course, this could be Google Chrome, Brave, Opera, Microsoft Edge, maybe Firefox, or any other browser you could be possibly using. Then, of course, you would like to go and download the latest version if you want. You can download the version that I'm using, which is 1.8.1 if you want, or you can download any other version suits you. Whatever suits you will be the best for you, because this tutorial will work for any version you are using. So let's just go back to the idea of this video, which is how to open a serial plotter on Arduino application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and open your Arduino application after downloading it, and that will actually be your home or your main screen on the Arduino application. And of course, in this Arduino application, we have two mandatory functions, or two necessarily functions, which is the void setup. You can put your setup code with to run once, and the void loop, so you can put your main code here to run repeatedly. And of course, you'll find other videos in this channel on how to maybe stop this void loop, like declare a function, another function, declare a variable, and other stuff. So if you want, as we said, to open the serial plotter, all you need to do, just go here to the tools, and as you can see, you can open this serial plotter from here. So if you click on that, as you can see, that will open for you. Then if you have a code that you define the serial like baud, change it to whatever you have on your code on, or just leave it on default. Of course, you have another option to open it. You can just go click Control, Shift and L, and that will actually open the serial plotter as well for you. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.